With templates, you can reuse activities, copying them from one course to another. While it's also possible to template rubrics and learning journeys, this video will focus on creating activity templates, as well as where to find and edit them and how to apply them in new activities. So let's create a template. In an existing FeedbackFruits activity, click on the three-dot menu in the top right of the screen and select Create Template. A dialog will open where you can give the template a name, making sure it's something you will remember and be able to find again, and you'll see this reminder that templates are saved to My Library, which can be accessed by clicking the icon on the right. And once named, press Save as Template to do just that. A pop-up on the bottom of the screen will confirm the creation of the template, as well as giving you the option to view it in My Library. Let's click Open Template to head to our library now. We are brought to the templated activity within My Library and can see that our instructions, configurations, and any annotations are copied. We can make any necessary adjustments before pressing Save in the top right, which will take us to this overview of all activity templates in My Library. Here's the template we just made, and below are others previously produced. The three-dot menu on the right of each template allows us to edit it, send it to someone in my institution, or delete it. Within My Library, you can also create templates from scratch. Click on the green plus icon in the bottom right to select a tool and configure a new activity. And once saved, it will live here in My Library with the rest of our templates. So how can we use a template we've made for a new course? Once you're in the right course in your LMS, add FeedbackFruits as an assignment or module item. Within the tool picker, choose My Library to access templates we've created there, or use the search bar at the top to find a specific template. You might also notice our Learning Design community here at the bottom of the tool picker home, which houses templates from innovative educators around the world. Once a template is selected, we can make any final adjustments before saving the activity, ready to publish to students. If you still have questions about how to use or find templates, don't hesitate to get in touch with our support team with this blue button in the bottom left for 24-hour expert support on weekdays. And for now, good luck with your templated learning activities.